Alright guys, this is a lock that I found at the local Habitat for Humanity restore. The key caught my eye. It says Emtek, assa, abloy. There's no actual marking on the lock, so I'm hoping it's not just a key and I'm making a foolish video. It is just an SC1. They did put the bitting on the back of the key. I hate it when they do that. So we're going to go ahead and pick it and gut it, see what's inside. And it's open. That wasn't very difficult. Dumb. As you would expect, it's a 5-pin core. Nothing special going on with these key pins. Let's see what it's got upstairs. Tiny little driver. Got a spool. Another tiny driver. Those are some tiny little drivers. Another spool. And another tiny driver that just flew out. Alright, looks like standard springs. I'm going to go ahead and try to give you guys a close-up, but my camera does not like to refocus. Right, as you can see, we have a spool in 2, we have a spool in 4, we have some tiny little drivers in 1, 3, and 5. Really nothing special. Just a fancy a fancy sledge.